Change in profit sharing ratio. Meaning of reconstitution of partnership firm. Any change in existing agreement of partnership accounts to the reconstitution of firm. Circumstances when reconstitution of firm takes place: on change in profit sharing ratio of existing partner, on admission of new partner, on retirement of partner, on death of partner, or on amalgamation of two or more partnership firms. Meaning of change in profit sharing ratio. Any change in profit sharing ratio implies a purchase of shares of profit by one partner from another partner. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Adjustment required at the time of change in profit sharing ratio: adjustment of goodwill, as adjustment of gain, profit or loss arising from revaluation of assets and reassessment of liability, adjustment of reserves, accumulated profits and losses, adjustment of capital.
Accounting treatment of goodwill. Case A, when goodwill is adjusted through partner's capital account. In the case of fluctuating capital, gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. In case of fixed capital, gaining partner's current account debit to sacrificing partner's current account. Case B, when goodwill is raised and written off. In case of fluctuating capital, goodwill account debit to partner's capital account, partner's capital account debit to goodwill account. In case of fixed capital, goodwill account debit to partner's current account, partner's current account debit to goodwill account. Accounting treatment of existing goodwill. Goodwill appears in the balance sheet as on date of recognition. All partners' capital or current account debit in old ratio to goodwill account with existing book value of goodwill. All partners' capital or current account debit in old ratio to goodwill account with existing book value of goodwill in case of fixed capital. Reserves, accumulated profits and losses. Contagious reserve account debit, profit and loss account debit, workman's composition reserve, investment fluctuating reserve to all partners capital account, all partners capital account debit to profit and loss account debit to deferred revenue expenditure account, assets and reassessment of liabilities. In case of the net effect is positive, gaining partners capital or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. In case of net effect in negative, sacrifice partners capital or current account debit to gaining partners capital or current account.
Treatment of WCR. Case 1, when there is no claim. Workman compensation reserve account debit to partner's capital or current account. Case 2, when WCR claim is equal to WCR. WCR account debit to provision for WCR. Case 3, when WCC is smaller than WCR. WCR account debit to provision for WCC account to partner's capital or current account. Case 4, when WCC is greater than WCR. First, when WCR account debit, revaluation account debit to provision for WCC account. And second, partner's capital current account debit to revaluation account.
Adjustment required at the time of change in